guys, I know it's been a long time. I just want to update you guys of what's going on, why I'm just not making any videos. I'm just pissed off and discouraged. The headlight was a fail. These custom headlights was a fail. I can't get the lenses right. These are the lenses I've tried to clear, and they're horrible. Like, this is all, like, looks like it's on the inside, might be on the outside. I tried to sand them down. It just didn't do anything. I wet sanded them. I don't know if they're just too old or what. Maybe I need a finer or a more coarse, but these ones I had pretty clear, and then I went and tried to spray a clear coat because people were like, oh, spray a clear coat, they'll look brand new. Well, that's what they looked like. So then I said, screw this. I'm gonna take the ones off of my manual TL because those ones actually aren't too bad. So I went ahead, took them off, and cleaned them up. They were decent. And then I went ahead, because there was stuff on the inside, and I went and cleaned the inside like an idiot. And look at that. I did not know you're not supposed to touch the inside of a lens. And now I completely screwed them up, and I don't think I can fix them. So I got these lenses all messed up. Look at that, guys. It's just horrible. That's all on the inside. So I don't know what to do. Like, like, these are gonna look sweet on if I had good lenses, but I don't want to seal all these headlights, all that work, just to make it look like shit. I want these headlights to pop, you know what I mean? I don't want it all foggy like that, but they are gonna look sweet. So I'm just kind of discouraged. Like, I don't have money to be buying new lenses. The TL is gonna be stored for the winter anyway, so it's like, I don't want to go through all that work to have lenses look like that after I'm done. So I might have to buy new lenses. I'm gonna call around, try to find a plastic restoration place, see if they can maybe restore this plastic to look like new again. But this is where I'm at. I was gonna seal them up, but I don't know. My car's apart right now. The front bumper's off. I have no headlights in there. So I'm not making any content, and it's been a long time. Just been discouraged. So I don't know what to do with these headlights. I can't get them fixed. I messed the inside up, so I'm gonna have to bring them somewhere, see if they can do a better job. But like I said, I can't be having that. Like, these were gonna look sweet when they're done, but I can't put them on there all foggy. So anyways, stay tuned. I appreciate you guys that are still subscribed and do watch the videos that I do put out. I know my views are down the toilet, but that's just because my content's down the toilet. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm not giving up yet. I'm gonna try to find lenses, new lenses for a good price. If I can find brand new lenses for a good price right on, then even if I could restore these, you know, I can sell some headlights, because I got these ones and those are still good. This one's all busted up. This is from when I rear-ended the person, so everything's all messed up. I mean, the projector's still good, but like, these are all the housing. It's all in pieces. This, it's all in pieces. So anyways, that's it. Just wanted to keep you guys updated. So yeah, stay tuned. I do want to get another draggy run in before I store the car, just to see if I can get in the 12s, like a 12.99 I'll be happy with. But right now I'm just, like I said, have no money to get lenses, but I'll do what I gotta do. Put it on the line of credit or something, because I definitely need headlights on the car so I can go drive it and store it. And yeah, so stay tuned and I'll keep you updated. And once I get these headlights on, I do have a few videos in mind that I want to make before putting it in storage, so that way I can, you know, have at least videos throughout the winter for you guys. If I can make a bunch of videos before I put it in storage, I got like 5-6 ideas that I can make for videos. I don't have the car looking right, so I can't make videos. So that's it. I apologize, but it is what it is. So see you next time. Bye.